It was this car originally came with power steering and power brakes. I switched the power brakes to something more modern. Has a hydromatic transmission, 4-speed hydromatic. So yeah, it drives nice. It'll do 85 miles an hour pretty easily.
Wow.
Gets about 16 miles to the gallon.
Yeah.
If we're counting.
Yeah.
So nothing too crazy. Yeah. Did some custom work, cleaned up the firewall, threw some pieces away.
I was going to ask, because that firewall is so clean,
Yep.
other than your old wiper motor.
Yeah, we got rid of, there was a heater box and doesn't have a heater right now, so we're
Yeah.
fine with that.